Right now there are over 1.1 million consulting businesses operating in the United States, and the management consulting industry alone is worth more than $411 billion in 2026. That's not a typo, and here's the part that shocks people. Most of those consultants didn't start with a fancy degree or 10 years at McKinsey. They started with one skill, one client, and the guts to charge for advice. Business consulting is exactly what it sounds like. You get paid to help companies solve problems, whether that's marketing, operations, finance, or just getting organized. Demand is exploding right now because small businesses are drowning in complexity, tariffs, AI adoption, rising costs, and they can't afford to hire a full-time expert, so they hire you instead, project by project. This is best suited for people who've worked inside an industry, even mid-level, and actually understand how businesses operate day to day. You can start lean for under $1,000 with just a laptop and a niche, go mid-range around $5,000 to $10,000 for branding and software, or go bigger with an office and team past $25,000. Profit margins in consulting often run 60 to 80% since there's no inventory. Monthly revenue for solo consultants realistically ranges from $3,000 to $15,000 once you land steady clients, and many break even within their first 2 to 4 months. Most consultants form an LLC for liability protection, then elect S-Corp status once profits climb to save on self-employment tax. Day to day, you're prospecting, running discovery calls, delivering deliverables, and managing client communication. No major suppliers needed, just software and your time. Licenses are usually minimal, though certain fields like financial or legal consulting need certifications, so always verify your state's requirements. You'll owe quarterly estimated taxes, self-employment tax around 15.3%, and general liability or errors and omissions insurance is smart protection. Here's something most new business owners don't think about until it costs them thousands: missed calls. Studies show businesses lose up to 75% of callers who don't leave a voicemail. A CRM system that automates your follow-ups, tracks leads, and handles communication can be the difference between a struggling business and a thriving one. Same goes for your online presence. No website and no Google business profile in 2025 means you're basically invisible. These aren't luxuries anymore. They're infrastructure. The biggest challenges are inconsistent income, proving credibility with no track record, and scope creep eating your hours for free. Beginners lose money underpricing, chasing every client instead of a niche, and skipping contracts. In your first 90 days, pick one narrow niche, get 3 testimonials by offering discounted pilot projects, and post value content weekly on LinkedIn to build authority. It's flexible and scalable, but income is unpredictable early on and trust takes time to earn. If you're serious about starting this business, the difference between the owners who make it and those who don't often comes down to systems and support. Don't try to do everything yourself. Your time is worth more than that. For the tech side of things, your website, CRM, automation, and operation software, the team at SoftAngles offers free consultations and can build exactly what your business needs without the guesswork. The link is in the description. If this helped you, drop a comment with your niche idea, hit like, subscribe for more real business breakdowns, and check out our next video on how to price your first consulting package.